In this video, you're going to learn how to change the color of clothes in Photoshop. Now we're going to do this in few steps. First, you pick your selection tools. You can pick your object selection tools or your quick selection tool. Let's use the object selection tool. Now we'll select the scarf like this. You can perfect the selection using your quick selection tool brush and adjust selection like this. The next thing we'll do is to press Ctrl J to create a new layer for the selection. Then we go to our adjustment layer and select the hue and saturation. And we'll adjust like this. See the way the color is changing. We'll do the same thing for the blouse to change the color of white to another color by following the same steps. And that's what we get at the end of it. Before, after, before, after. Thank you. Let me know in the comment section what your next project will be and what color you would like to change on your image. Thank you.